Okay, today, children, we will start with a new chapter, that is chapter 6, the later Vedic period, Aryavarta. Aryavarta. You know, these Aryans, from where have they come? Where have they gone? Where did they settle? About their political life, about their social life, all we are going to study in this very chapter. Okay, this chapter tells about the later Vedic period, which has started from 1000 BC to 600 BC. Then the political structure. Then comes the social life of this, the 4 ashrams, then the Gurukul system of education. You know, earlier there were no schools rather, but they were Gurukuls, where the students, those were the disciples, they used to come and they used to get the education from their gurus. Then comes the family life, religion, economic life, in which comes the occupation. Then comes the trade and pottery. Okay, then let's start with the chapter. In this chapter, first you'll see the political organization of later Vedic period, then the social and economic life of Aryans in the later Vedic period, religion of later Vedic period, Gurukul system of education, and the 4 ashrams. Okay, let's start. Aryavarta, the later Vedic period, 1000 BC to 600 BC. By about 1500 BCE, the Aryans came into the Indian subcontinent from Central Asia and settled in Saptasindhu region, known as Brahmavarta. This period is called the early Vedic period. Which period is known as early Vedic period? When these Aryans, they have come into Indian subcontinent from Central Asia and they have settled in Saptasindhu region. Which very region? Saptasindhu region, and this was known as Brahmavarta. Okay, and this very period was known as early Vedic period. Around 1000 BCE, the Aryans left Brahmavarta and moved eastward and southward into the Ganga valley, clearing the thick forest as they went along. As they moved forward, now these Aryans, they started clearing the thick forest as they went along, and they were moving towards eastward side and southward side into the Ganga valley. Now, next, the period between 1000 BCE and 600 BCE marks the later Vedic period. And why? When these Aryans, they settled in Aryavarta. This very period was known as later Vedic period. Then, the composition of the 3 later Vedas were Samaved, in which comes the hymns. Then comes the Yajurved, in which comes the mantras and rituals. And then next comes the Atharvaved, in which comes the mysteries of creation, along with the Brahmans, the Aranyakas and Upanishads of all 4 Vedas, as we have studied in the previous chapter, happened during this period. The epics Ramayana and Mahabharata were also composed during this period. It is already clear to you about the 4 Vedas and the Mahabharata and Ramayana. Now, the highlight of the later Vedic period was the emergence of agriculture on a large scale and transition of Aryans from nomadic to settled life. Now, these very Aryans, when they were moving from eastward and southward into the Ganga valley and then clearing the thick forest as they were moving forward and forward, they were as if they were like nomads. Aryans from nomadic to settled life. Then the period was the emergence of agriculture on a large scale, and this very emergence, that is coming up of agricultural occupation on a large scale, now it made as if it was on a large scale, and it was as if there will be a settlement of these people from a nomadic life to a permanent settlement. Okay, if the occupation of a person is very good, okay, it becomes good and the person gets a profit in a certain area, then the nomadic tribes also, they used to settle at that very particular places. So as was with this very Aryans also, now they also now wanted to settle in that very particular place. There was widespread use of iron. Now the spread of iron was in a very good area, which revolutionized agriculture, and then the agricultural process was revolutionized. It was in a large scale. Iron plowshares were increasingly used in agriculture, and then this iron plowshares, they were used in agriculture in a very increasing manner. This meant the heavy clay soil could be turned over better than with a wooden plowshare. Excavations near the Ganga plain, the three later Vedas and the epics provide information on political, social and economic life of the Aryans in the later Vedic period. You see, then the excavations, the digouts near the Ganga plain, then the later Vedas and the epics which have been at that very time provide information. They were giving information on the political life of the Aryans, social life, economic life of the Aryans in the later Vedic period. The excavations near the Ganga plain, which was seen, the Vedas and the epics, they were giving the information which has happened at that very particular time during the later Vedic periods when the Aryans, they came into a settlement. Okay, children, till here. Next very video, we will start with the political life and then the social life of the Aryans. Okay, please go through your chapter, and after going through your chapter, kindly read out your chapters and your question answers. I'll be giving in your dashboard. In tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll give your previous chapters question answers. Kindly see to it and write in your copies. Okay, thank you.